Next one. Another one. Another one.
Hey y'all, so I got a sign made for my brand, Upper Class Hair. I decided to go with just a solid 10 letters of upper class, and so here's the sign. The sign was made by Dvanzosigns. On Instagram, it's DVANZOSIGNS, Dvanzo Signs. So let's get into this. Let's open this box. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit difficult for me, but I'm gonna blame this on my nails and me really trying my hardest not to break any. Here we are. After I kind of got it open, it kind of just slid out. So it wasn't as bad, but the video definitely shows what I went through. What I would say is that I really do like the packaging that it came in because it arrived, no scratches, and everything was in perfect condition.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. This is everything. So I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put this. I love it so much. Look how nice that is. So of course I could not install this by myself. I'm sure if I didn't have the grass wall, it would have been so much easier and I probably would have been able to. So I went onto the Thumbtack app and hired someone. And here we have the finished product. It looks amazing. I am so happy that I chose Dvanzo Signs to get my neon sign. I am happy with the service. It was super quick turnaround. All around 10 out of 10.